And the above try addition so. Esa ala we ya back and was seminal. Ono so bompire. Ala bompire. Now the young man must say yes to your yamia. I don't know bompire. Sana ala bompire. Na ya baba kind, Minia, baby, a son one, Allah prayed. It is Kawo Sula chapter 33, verse 43 and 56. Come on.
Or say, He, Allah, is who sends prayers. He shall lay on you, Muhammad, and his angels too.
It is Allah no bompire Muhammad. And as above for no so cosmame.
That he may bring you out from darkness into light.
O you who sumu abahaimu.
And he is ever most merciful to the believers.
It was your mobra Emma Gidi for no cosmame. Verse 56.
Allah sends his prayers. Yusalona on the Prophet Muhammad.
Jiraho aye. Minya. Sir, wo bompire. Eja ima sa so bompire. Eja cha so bompire da.
Ipa chwan.
Na wo bompire no a wo de fa, wo de ma hwan na wo bompire man so omwa o.
Me bompire se me Nyankopon omwa me.
Fine. It is also that me so me bompire se me Nyankopon so e de omwa na wo so e. It ala bompire ma Muhammad. De no obo ma Nyankopon ben se omwa Muhammad. So ono ni nyame a because nyame pie ni go no obo mpaye debo nyame ohire nipa it is all about mpaye ma Muhammad a e je na nyame bi wo ho a obo mpaye na ede e fa no so nyame ehumako e mobo na ede na hira no it is how a prove say Allah is not God because nyame bia from Genesis to Revelation, eja ima ro Nyankopon no a obo mpaye ma na ma no mi wu bida na ko Korea ni mu a ala bo mpaye iti ala ni tumi a ba bo akomhye nti tumi bi wo ho a abro no so iti sa tumi no e na obo mpaye e fa no so so omwa akomhye ni no na wonim text a ho ni ukwa pede ase we nu enchira Bible na ogo Korea no e ka se sala ceremony ko akwaye o ka se me ko akwaye sala sa ko ya sorry that is the same way and na wa no it Allah akwaye sala o ye sala amma Muhammad okoko so ya sa na ye hira it hira ana awo ho no na minia ye na ya pese ye hu no kware awo adusuamu nti inshira yanka inshira sala ana yusaluna inshira wa yakanu arabe kasamuwa yakanu mubarukum inshira woni eti eha ebiewu yese onye nyame fine yanko ya adisua no so biom ya to ya adisua no so no ya hwe akwan a ala fa so gbo ni wiase se na no ya kan ya de no abrate be wura mu na ya wo ho aye de ya respond no na enne ya ba be hwe akwan a ala e fa so egbo ni wiase iti binia kan emame wa Sahari Muslims book 46 hadith number 27 binia kan emame
Allah's messenger is saying, Allah ordained the measures of the creation 50,000 years before he created the heaven and the earth, and his throne was upon the water.
Fine. It was say Allah or the so and our measures at all 50,000 years ansa na ɔbɛbɔ wiase o eti wei kɛ sɛ ala no fi hifa ɛna onya 50,000 years ansa na ɔbɛbɔ wiase because me amete ha me nya 30 years ɛna me ko sua machine am started man say jima it is a ala ya 50,000 years and which means ala no yɛ den ofri baby ana bɛbɔ a ɛna ɔbɔ wiase iti hifa no ofi ɛna baby ofi no awia ne bosom yɛ den ɛwɔ hɔ because what heaven na you need days our heaven this as you need adeche and you need adesa because adeche na adesa aya one day and Allah so we have 50,000 years which we be one a year na bosom ya den ɛwɔ hɔ iti ahaya sɛm mo baba kyerɛ baby Allah no yɛ den ɔwɔ a only 50,000 years answer na ɔbɔ ewiase na also about heaven mabua and earth and na kondwa no asa nsu nani the way just say Allah enya mo wiase no na onte kondwa so o gina ho and na kondwa no a asensa nsu bi ani me tie ni yo on say na no me ka say bi say enya Allah na bo wiase na Muhammad so e de yenyame no enemy nyam odi ade odi ama no it want to be kire asanum yie say Allah 50,000 years no abo wiase na kondwa no e wo nsuo bi ani onteso binya yakọ eyi wo Zahiri Bukhari volume 4 book 54 page 414 dash volume 9 the same book 93 page 514 yanka ase bia o kan mame
At the same time, as I was with the prophet, some people from Bani Tamim approached. Therefore, they said, we asked you what the beginning of the universe was.
O say na owo one komsheni nete e na kwofo BP Bani Tamim eba komsheni de wo say kire awiase ekwanya fa so gbo awiase no kire ye ko so mame.
The prophet said,
and na komsheni say
there was Allah and nothing else before.
O say sound bi eni wiase bu say Allah nkwana na ewo wiase ko so mame.
And his throne was above the waters,
and
he afterwards created the heaven and the earth, and wrote everything in the book.
And now Allah top pen, meaning so no about pen here, and not the pen there. Actually, you're in Nara, Ottomani. It wait as Allah pen, to be a author or boy, or try. That's one trap you will defeat. It is one. It has some no yabasi atiasio. Akondwa no awo nsuo nani bibi ani wo ti ala boy apɛ ɛna ɔyɛ den ɔde etwerɛyɛ de ɔtwerɛyɛ ɔde gu book no mu good. It be na we are examine who is Allah. Yabasi ehun. It when you say sanda akondwa papa menim carpenter ni oboboye. It when you say Allah throne is a physical throne. Meaning Yakob Surah chapter 40 verse 7 and 16 and 17.
And the angels will be on its side.
It is above our Allah nafa.
And 8 angels will that day bear the throne of your Lord above them.
It is also above from what also Allah akonja. Musti also Allah akonja ni yasua. It will almost sound alarm at so. It is so being nim. Nasa na na kwa bobi bi pa ala ba yede ofia godwa eyido so obetwa ase. Muntio nyame we na ode toto ye nyame no. Nyame a ote akodwa mu ne ya so ano ne de ne koba. Itimitumi hu dua kwa ya de bobo akondwa no. Ana mitumi hu se nkran carpenter fo ni bi na bobo ya benim. It is suwon. It is a woody way to talk one. No, but we yes, sir. na da no ya de dada Israelfo ama Israelfo gogodi anyame huhu achi akwasom no a onyame de bu fuye a oka Israelfo nyina eguye no ebini nyame a ote akondwam na ya fua no menti bi da just the way Allah nkwa na ya fua no on say nyame a yedi kundum a ya be fua no aba kundum na ase Allah have a shape. Sahih Bukhari 65 book 103 hadith 4581 minua kamame
or say then Allah the Lord of the world will come to them in a shape.
It won't Allah will shape. Yakubu ni shape. With you can say shape. Sir, what you say shape it as idea our form. With the Allah will shape. To Allah will shape was our nine, our set, our not, our mini, our sa. Allah will shape. I have physical shape. It is not track with just no. Mimi amba mutia me mesramo. Ye ni abere. Wa wo phone ko Google. Na Google say who is Allah? Ana Allah. Na wo woni photo. Yes. So we dey use ya so kwa wo be hu Allah ote konjwa so. Ya ote konjwa so. Na ne so ba me se ye besua ade na wo be hu sa nyame no. Na so yo Kristo ni na awale nti uja onyame we achi uko di nyame bi achi a na it's up to you. Iti Allah no ye den owo shape. Allah so we ni Masa kai Sahih Bukhari volume 9 book 93 page 505. Allah den.
The prophet said,
Muhammad said,
Allah did not send any prophet, but that he warned his nation of the one-eyed liar.
It was say Allah on small commission bia never otu omano for say na da fo no a nani ye ba ko no on the account of antichrist. It will be about obaga say the at the jar. That's an antichrist or say nani ye den nani ye ba ko so mame.
He is the one eye, while your Lord is not one eye.
It was say sir antichrist nani ye ba ko no mo wa wura de nani ye de enya ba ko de yan ebe ye mienu. Iti Allah nani ye mienu. Iti mesu mani no ebi na Allah ye de ewo mutie ni yo. Allah wa nine first ebikwa ekondwa pa na oteto. It was one nine me discover Allah according to Muawu book eye me book wa Sahih Bukhari volume 6 book 60 page 371. Yahweh Allah na nine.
The prophet said, the people will be thrown into the hellfire, and it will say, are there any more? Till Allah puts his foot over it, and it will say, enough.
So, enti komsheni say na kwafo no ani kwafo bebrebe gu ejanmu ana Allah ka sha say ti ebi wo ho ana na Allah de na besi ejanmu na akasha mo say eye which Allah no nan ewo ho itinia nipa wo no physical no aya spiritual because yenuanu nim say wonyame no onya honhom ubi say kwamuni bia say is Allah a spirit? Obeka say no, Allah is not a spirit, but Allah rather created a spirit. If there will be so say or to say na yeka bi say one say Allah on your spirit na o ye den akode e be yon tofa iti Allah no ni fine ye hu ye hu Allah no ye hu be bia ofi gba ye o de ye nko sesi a ne we ye hwe ono ani niam o ye namu amutie me no fa ko wa dwemu say no kware a ye hwe kwan a Allah fa so bo ni wiase o se nanu a meka Elohim ede no me kire obo we gold was asimu petrol anamanka ni na meka ni nyinara with this Allah so ono no bo wiase a masa momma yentie ono Allah ekwan a o se ono ana ofa to ebo ewiase no me nua kan wo Surah chapter 41 verse 9 to 12.
Allah created the earth in 2 days, and He placed.
Ya kunta wa ha tobo anrashe. Allah said obo anyi for 2 days.
Allah created the earth in 2 days.
Iti Allah so obo wiase no earth asase no na no 2 days kosoma me.
And He placed on the earth firmly set mountains over its surface, and determined therein its sustenance in 4 days.
And asuniama ni nyinara so or the 4 days no dey there or the ayeye. It take 2 days na aya
6 days.
6 days when I work kan you with mama konta no 2 days or so the boss asase no. And asuniama ni nyinara no or the 4 days. It aya 6 days. Kosoma me.
And He completed them as even, and He completed them as 7 heavens within 2 days.
And heaven no I 7 and no or the how many days?
2 days.
It will can why 8 days. Tro 8 days. O de tro. It Allah say assassin no di ka boy about 2 days. And the niema was assassin so on the 4 days. And so I 2 days. Na ya 8 days. Winim. Mra bidika ba last year na. We shake it say hey atesa na end no. Na me hui sabo mo go school. Fine. See I can't tell say the 4 boys are going till the 4 boys and 2 girls are going. How many are they?
6.
6. Shake this here 4.
Hey.
Or say you 4. One make on more audio no ah. Na ya course esa say Allah no. Enyo no go wi ase na wa contradict ne ho nti. It is ya 8 days o mebo a.
Yeah.
Fine go. Good. Surah chapter 7 verse 54. On how many days? Na Allah adebo wiase.
Lord is Allah. He is Tawa.
Tawa
over the throne.
Eti Allah ba bo wiase. Ha de le so sorry pie konja no so because trawa ni sisi be ya ne ya. On to be mo wiase. Eti Allah no o tra konja no so ntumi tu ya. O sorry koso mame.
And created the heaven and the earth and its sustenance in 6 days.
It was said no obo asase ne asoro ne asase. Osoro ni asase ni emunia mayina how many days?
6 days.
6 days. It 20 ya 6 days. It osoro 7 ane asase ni emunia mayina 6. Ala ba kunu. Aha 8 and aha 6. Ye wiye. Me nua me se ye wiye. Ene bere wa atwa ho ye. Na odi nkrofo bi achi. Na ko say you more it's up to you. Yakowa Zahibu Zahir Muslims volume 4 P2 150 2789 Al-Albani volume 4 hadith 1833 Book of Al-Miskat hadith 5735 Book of Qasim Al-Musfrak P664 Book 52 Hadith 10 Book 39 Hadith 6707 When we na actually acquire Allah afa se den abo ni wiase when we na ka asamba ko it massa kaima me
I say the first day Allah created the clay. It was Saturday.
Jira ho mame school for am ma ka my why o se de edi kan no ala board the clear as I say no bon wo memenda afran kan ho good that also me no board then
the second day Allah created the mountain. It was Sunday.
ɛna next that of me no ana abo bepɔ nkwa na ɔbɔ yo wa basa aseti asase na ɔbɔ ye no bepɔ nka ho tiafi na ala ayire bepɔ no esi asase no so iti ayetu kosoma me
say the third day Allah created the trees. It was Monday.
And at that of me and son or say Allah obo nuya as I said so the man or you know quite it ya 3 days kosoma me.
The fourth day Allah created the things entailing labor. It was Tuesday.
And at that of and no Allah boniama yebe so jima na yebe ye ajima on ono so aye da atoso and 9 as I said so ni kosoma me.
The fifth day Allah created the light. It was Wednesday.
And at that atoso unum no Allah bo kanea yaba say awia aye the fifth day kosoma me.
The sixth day Allah created animals to spread on earth. It was Thursday.
It is that of this no Allah bo more so no and spread was as so a Thursday.
Through all the surahs and the hadith, nowhere Allah created man.
Subon, it is a wood here at the Kankasam no. Wa 6 days no Allah wa more nipa and a one more at the osoro. And about heaven one more heaven Allah the refi and had the refi. Now with him, some of their books said on the 7th day Allah created Adam after Azra between afternoon and night. It was Friday. Me yanfa ononka ho. It was 7 days no Allah boy there Adam and Eve beboa. It is ya hwe adesua we mu a. Hadis ne kan ya Allah yure fi heaven me nipa boy ya. Nu tie ne ye. Ede ni nia. Ayede na ha kora ba ko Allah no ho asem or the 8 days no bo wiase. Maybe see or the 6 days. Maybe see or the 7 days. Nyame be ni. Na nia aha me ne say Allah wa ya confused. Esa say enyo no kwa no bo wiase no. Me nua bie say wati. Na bra. Back Surah chapter 37 verse 1 to 5.
Or say, will you call Baal?
Or say, will you call Baal?
A well-known idol of the whom they used to worship and forsake the best of creators.
Creators aye puri ameboa we ka se anya ba nkwa na obo wiase eti yenu am yesra mo momra ba be kire yen wona won man Allah ebo wiase o say he is the best in creators eti was anyame a on bo wiase on mo do but Allah de oyeden odi mu ete won mu inara ya fa adusu anyam to yakọ the brao ama maponte adusu na ze see a sports, like say Abrante he's the best in the athletes now. Just say, almost we can only no, or yeah, dear. Say, I say, about Flower, he's the best in the class. Just a classroom, I don't know. Now, almost doors to name only Muma at 1 minute. You know, and we are some a yadusia. The Yababe Piers who could only say, I'll let you know one or boy, I say. It was no more boy as or come no more on no yard dear pa I will ask a bonum. I know ya dear no baby also the 8 days baby also the 6 days baby also the 7 days no more on your muscle. It in yammy benny me person up at the 20 years now say a queer Bible no more than we hear say. Amafo de abosonsom e de adada amafo ache etu onyankopon no a ono do gbo wiase no ya de yayi no aye de afi nchen na de eya me ya na eya me sene pa ne se adechi a ede na emenya hit awia kora me so boa ala so boa Muhammad say ye wia and a boyen na ye be kan because asaba ko biara no be pese ye nyina ye den ye kan. Number 4, the sun. According to hadith, it is not the sun which shine on the earth, but rather hellfire. Now all you who scientists near or no study you who sad no. Now you kind Zahir Bukhari volume 1 book 10 hadith 512.
The prophet said
in
very hot weather delay the Zuhr prayer so it becomes a bit cooler.
Zuhr prayer no aka chire ti ya twama
because the severity of heat is from the raging of hellfire.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
It was said, "Ewiemu a ayɛ hye paa no efi abɔnsam egyanumu." Tete mi nua no a mutia me. Do bata house a oyɛ kramani. Iti ase bo no kware. Iti wo kɔ wo fom ewia no ebu awo no. South wo ka sɛ ewia no ma weda do ayɛ hye paa o. Sana okora asala sɛ oyɛ swan. Anya ewia no a demo eye hell abonsam eja no ana amma ewiem aye den aye iti moa iti wepo abafra pua wako school a wodra days of one waka asembu ekira no a obesre wo iti who is Allah ye yiyi no ho ya dodo akwan no ni yenyanko Allah no anza ne ho iti ni niema wase waaye no ebi na me pese amafo ye de etie iti seba no na ka sa ka wo ka shake na ba aka fi ni akọ geographical and then and apologetic with the forecaster to the obaka kan se bi and tourism na scientific where we wo hu say hey abon sabija and sa na de tia aboyen na anya wia no a misisu bio awo Zahir Bukhari volume 1 book 10 hadith 512 ayam na mo choro fine menya ya twa adesua no so iti se wutie we ya say awia no wo odi bibia ye awade chi mu ede na nu nim santi a onyakobo ye de obo awia no iti we ya nyame yehu ye se nyame a ode nyame bi ekantam nyame a onnim kwan ofa so bo ni wiase eduru ba bi o se na me wi afi ba se many pos o metumi hu oduru ba bi o se eme ala me di 8 days na be bo wiase ade tu ko bi sa no a o se oh I 6 days ade tu ko bi sa no o se o ya 7 days o mu ba cha wa se asoro mpo no sa na yon no no boye
Hey.
Edu baby aso duka bo soro ansa na oba asase edu baby aso duka bo asase ansa na oba soro edu baby aso soro bo yan no boye ala no oni minua ya ba si atua adeso no so na ya ba be hwe ala o describe awia no baby awia no epiefi mbase ya kan because me pese ya di adwene ya bebo yetrim ya de ya kasa Zahir Muslims book 004 hadith 1275/1807 minu akan mame.
As long as the sun has not risen yet, but when the sun rises,
So I say wamra awia enyam pie no na se awia no pie
stand still from prayer.
I say so dinner one five bomu
Because the sun rises between the horns of the devil.
I say awia no pie awo abansam ne
Amen.
and the man no finfini masa when I was there where I said na ya do so ante wo sere na wo fe be ye o ya awia na pie east no hadis ni say awia no pie abansam ne men ni mu no nka bia oh masa mete wadio ala on catch you ala not in the baby na Muhammad bom na o trasa ne bottom no on so be kabi because samere no na ala for no on mu edibeti obi ase ne Nyankopon no na ye de aba obi ase obi ase ne bottom no na aba obi ase ana Muhammad oh me so be there he is the best in creators okay ana oba be kire kwanya ne ala no bo obi ase ne ba se bi ni o ala bo obi ase a 8 days baby over 6 days baby over 7 days afi enya wianu po na ebo eye agima wa de chin ne mu abonsem ja eja no enna afi awian baby opia no abonsam ne men no me ni baby abonsam ne men no ewo itu ono so mumra na bebe kire na abonsam ne men no a awianu epie wo mu no mo ba be kire Masa ko Hadith 1807 no mama.
The messenger of Allah saying, do not start the prayer at the time when the sun is rising.
So when we last asam na me ka kire wo no. Say Allah no kiri anopampai bo. Eti wo ye kramoni na wo be so wo be bompai ama Allah. Ye ya bo 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 1 this is one thing sa 8 hours we no ala chiri obo empire ala ontie because awia no pie fi abonsam no na men mu na anya wia ba ko ya abonsam fi ni men mu no ali ni na monta o ma awia ni endum asa na ma ya azare sa obi de na dawe ali dadawa na wo soru di weyaji iti Bible no etu ya for say beri afọ ọmụ wo ho ehai ọmụ ye echen Thessalonica fo adentia esa so obi ka asam kire wo no ọmụ a ọmụ hwehwe asam ni mu ehu se asam ye den eye nokware ansa na ọmụ ye den edi akiri esa ka ya me bia na ọmụ di akiri me nu I'm telling you wo ka ya se ina gbo mu a nipa abansam asum afidie eyi won no eya about 80%. Abansam de abosom ayeya nyame ani pa bebre no aye de ato na fidie mu enam nipa amumu yoso menua kan Jeremiah chapter 5 verse 26 I can Jeremiah chapter 5 verse 26 to 27 no come on na tie ni abansam aye ewiase na sawote na se ya kana obufu a aya wo wasemwa because obi nche obi sasomo nyame som ne yie ana som ne badamfo de wo se ya obaso ne bia no sa na benya akatua no menu akan Jeremiah chapter 5 come on
every set wo hunu abonefo memanu Watete said the no mayifo butu
o se mahu adeboneyefo wo memman mu a won motete se anomayifo
wo sunsun efidie yi nipa
o sunsun efidie eyi nipa kosoma me
said the no mahye kenten ma no
senya no mahye kenten ma no saso na ya chichi nipa egu kenten mu abonsam ade awoye ni suwon iti mu a budi satan achi no mo awie ni woni ato we no mi se me kasa mi nka ala wase ebiem a we ya me ite ewiase sei na ya bo no ite ya me no oni tumi wa abonsam ne memenu mu onyame a owo tumi ono na obo awia na awia ni pie abonsam na memenu a ide ayete na awia no kokko pie ho Sasa wete se onyame ano se awia no gogo pia ho na se nyame ne ni tumi a awo tumi a akọ pama abansam menia nyansa sam pa ben ena was asem we mu okon kan si hey adeti na o ya de wo kan ye menua mu nyina mu tie me mekwa me nim nyansa ncha mu nyinara it is several mu tie mu amfa ko mu adwene mu na to fa bible no hwe ye nyame no ekwa ba so bo wiase na ba to ho so we ye any eye nyame a ono no bo wiase no it's up to you menua ye wiye the sun goes baby it yahwe awose awia no afi obodi triase awa ala na konwa na ase eti awia no so ya asore so na da hwe so ya de so mu a niema mienu se miensa e de anuan mo e de da da wiase okrotumu na wa matuam na wota anyame e na tuwade ana fa homa fa bo wopu na no ko so ba verses e de da nipa niema mo da de e de da wiase ni oni na wo kaka se ono all this club ni nyame a it is hard never say money betu nya describe ne ala say na me describe ne enne on po we american born tv da bra was why da ye ni wo ho adwere bone ena yamsom enya force me nya ko John Bukhari volume 6 book 60 hadith 326.
Once I was with the prophet in the mosque at the time of sunset.
Mina do wa ngoncheni do wa awa baby ayaya asore no masana je ho no na o mra awia na de akoto no kontoma me.
I said the prophet said, "Oh Abu Da, do you know where the sun sets?"
O so woni baby awia no aya akokoto ba ko no Surah chapter 8 was say awia akoto apunsu no mu ana duka na o say awia akoto apunsu no mu ton ena ha so oba be tre baby awia no atobiem masaka mama
I replied, Allah and his apostle know best.
O say Allah and wo kon se ni mu na mu ni the best is ya no mama
He said, it goes and prostrates underneath Allah's throne.
O say awia no akọ ala na go dwa no ase ahọ no akọkọ ya asọre masa it contradiction we mu nwan na yamfa Surah chapter 18 verse 83 to 86 say awia goto apunso no tom around say awia no akoto akọ ala na konwa no ase akọkọ bombaye masa so na oban ba ya ade no etimia o de yafa adusua we emfasi ya se ya ba beduru ya hu ya se awia no afi awia no plako mama
and that is Allah's statement, and the sun runs on its fixed course for a term.
It was a young lady, or John was a good group, my son, ya shaman. It was a piano, a pia, or pia abantana, Baba Memo. No, Allah, the good well, sorry. Okozure chapter 18 ya de okoto isu apuru ye na mo ya de son baba na ya mebu a ya ba be travel ya say who is Allah ye wiye eti ya de awia no a akoto na kodwa na ase afi we ya nto nsuo no mu anto apu nsuo no mu eti Allah no ne ya hu awo kwaya fa so bo ni wiase no Allah obo mpa ye hu Allah wa bo wiase 8 days 6 days 7 days mo ena ala no a o se eye wia no ena eye de ebo awia maye demo eya bonsam ejanu mu ya da mu na ase se gbatie yen de be ko na yesua ade na am se de bosom ba ko ne fa ena de be wie sa de sua no eti se onu wo assembly sa dige biela no to so ba me
Sempano,
Odi